Hello everybody, this is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. I'm going to make a video about Dewalt Screwgun, model number DCF620. It's also called drywall screw gun. This part you can buy tool only, or you can buy with battery and charger. There's a lot of choice on Home Depot, online, everywhere. I'm not going to fully review this tool because I have not chance to use this one, and today is my first day I'm going to use this one, and I decided to make a video so I can record when I'm going to use this tool, like performance. And the best thing with this one, if you are doing job site, like you have a project, bigger project, and you have to keep doing every day, you can buy attachment, and you can put like a whole bunch of reel for screws, and you don't need to feed one by one at front, and you can just keep going, so it will make your job a lot faster. But at my situation, I have a couple sheets only, so I'm not at a job site, I'm doing it at my shop. So I'm going to do some drywall installation over here, and so I will record video about the performance. I have done a couple screws, as you can see, to understand how I can set up this one. So now I'm fully ready to use, so we're gonna make video about when I'm going to use, and you can see the performance when we're feeding one screw at a time. And I will give feedback in the end of this video why it's different than regular impact. Like I have this Dewalt impact, I can use this one too for a screw, and that one is especially for drywall screw because you have to put a lot, like you have to screw every 6 inch. So let's go back to the drywall screw gun, and we will come back when I'm trying to use. And end of the video I will leave some information what I find, and if it's worth to buy over the impact, because mostly we have an impact. So let's to understand this one, 20-volt cordless, and it have some setting over here. I'm gonna put my camera here, then we're gonna do some setting. Okay, first this one, we can take this one off if we have to change a screw bit. Like it have a lock right now, I'm gonna unlock, and you will be able to pull them out. So you have, if you have to change this screw bit, you can put any, there's a different kind of screw. This one Phillips screw, you can have some star Allen screw or anything, you can use it. And over here is a little better to see, you can see it's push in. So if you turn on here, it's not gonna spin. It's only gonna spin when it's gonna be forced in. So I see them right now, it's a lot of power. So now we're gonna put this attachment on top. As I told, you can also buy attachment that goes on front, and you can put screw reel as like I don't know what you call it, like a coil screw or something. You can feed it, so you don't need to put one by one. And about the depth of screw in drywall is over here. So it's pretty simple. You can see now I have a screw bit a little bit sticking out. If you wanna force a screw more inside the drywall, then you have to spin it this way, and you're gonna see the screw bit is coming more out. If you this way, if you're thinking screw is getting too much inside the drywall, then you go other side, and this bit go well inside, which one will, this side will protect to push screw inside. So now I will be using this drywall screw gun, and then we're gonna see what happened, what is best than impact. I have one line already where it's a stud, so I'm gonna put a screw on this line. So first I'm gonna place my camera a little bit further, then we will bring closer to see actually screw, how they are screwed inside the drywall. Now as you can see, I have a couple screws done already, like a whole stud. I have a finished with my screw gun, and I have a found couple things over impact. As you can see at the ceiling, I have done all screws with my impact, and a lot of screws are sticking out and some of are sticking in. But over here with the drywall screw gun, all screws are at the same depth. The best thing you can do with the screw gun, you can adjust the depth of your screw, like all look similar. None of screw is sticking out and none of are too much in. So one thing, over the impact, you can control your depth of a screw. Second thing is I find out this screw gun is like too much power by like a quick start, not like slow start, is quick start. So what it does, it force screw quick in. And second, when I use my impact, I was holding screw with my hand and I have a poke with the screw bit couple time on my finger and it hurting. And with the screw gun, you don't need to worry about to hold, because you can put just a screw at the front and that's it. It will auto hold for you. You don't need to be keep hold it. So it's just a one hand job. Once you put screw, it's go. So you don't worry about to hitting your finger or anything. I think three things I find out so far right now, and I'll keep updating in the future if I found something. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.